Hi, my name is Samantha Gates-Reese. I'm a career advisor in the Office of Career and Professional Development here at High Point University. Office etiquette is a set of unwritten rules for employees to practice professionalism and polite behavior. While office etiquette varies based on the company, generally, respectable office etiquette allows you to form strong relationships with colleagues and clients and helps you advance your career. Today, I'm sharing some office etiquette rules you can follow to successfully integrate into your work environment. Be on time. Time is precious, and no one wants to feel like you think your time is more important than their time. Whether arriving at the office, visiting a client, or meeting a deadline, being prompt shows that you're serious about work and respect the other party's time. If you miss a deadline, your whole team is affected and may have to cover for you. Clients expect high-quality service, so if you are late to an appointment, the client might question their money and wonder if you value their time. When running late, let the other party know and keep them in the loop. Put down your phone. Nowadays, it is hard to put down our phones. However, when you are in work interactions such as meetings, colleague discussions, and presentations, avoid looking at your phone. Looking at your phone instead of engaging in the discussion or watching the speaker gives the impression you're not paying attention or don't care about the subject, which reflects poorly on you and your company in front of others. If you struggle with this, put your phone in your bag or leave it at your desk so it is not in your line of visibility. Understand your work environment. It's important to observe and understand your work environment so you know it's appropriate. If you notice your coworkers don't wear headphones or listen to music while they work, you shouldn't either. Some companies have a formal dress code, but others might lean on a non-verbal rule for how you should dress. Pay attention to the leaders in your office and how they behave. They are doing something right to be where they are, and emulating them can help you get ahead. Avoid gossip and practice politeness. While it's natural to stress over work, be careful about the extent of what you share. How you treat people reflects on your character, and if you speak negatively about your coworkers, people might associate you with that negativity. Also, colleagues might be less inclined to trust you if they hear you bad-mouthing other colleagues, wondering if you do the same to them. Bring your best self to work each day. This means smiling, being courteous, and acknowledging others when you're in their presence. Don't forget to respond to emails and meeting requests sent to you. Stand up when shaking someone's hand. Don't interrupt when someone else is speaking, and respect each other's thoughts and ideas. Be mindful of how others work. People have different working styles, so be mindful when working in an open office. Some people might want warmer temperatures and others might want cooler. Don't take calls on speakerphone in a shared space, as others might find it jarring. Don't have lengthy personal conversations at your desk where others can overhear or be distracted. Show genuine interest. We all have thousands of thoughts running through our heads. We're checking off to-do lists, worrying about how we'll finish tasks, and if we'd remember to pick up the dry cleaning. When speaking with colleagues or clients, people can tell when you are actively listening. When speaking with others, give your undivided attention. Maintain good eye contact and ask inquisitive follow-up questions. That way people are aware that you are focused and also a pleasure to interact with. There are plenty of other office etiquette do's and don'ts, and they can be universal or industry specific. But I hope the unwritten rules of the workplace I've shared today help you navigate the various workspaces you'll experience throughout your career. Good luck.